Hello friends, welcome back to this channel again. You know that in this channel we analyze different sectors in Indian stock market. We analyze different mutual funds in various sectors like ELSS, large cap, mid cap, small cap, etc. So in today's video, we're going to talk about insurance sector. So we have mainly five companies in insurance sector, and we are going to run a quantitative analysis on all these companies like ICICI Lombard General Insurance, HDFC Life, General Insurance Corporation of India, ICICI Pru Life Insurance, and SBI Life. Now, based on several fundamental parameters like sales growth, profit growth, return on equity, the earning visibility, valuation metrics, etc. So based on all these different fundamental parameters, we are going to give points. So the company which is scoring highest point will be ranked first and then followed by the other companies. So this is how we are going to run this analysis. And also we did similar analysis in other sectors, like we uploaded a video on paint sector, on IT sector, chemical specialty chemical sector, and also FMCG sector. If you want to take a look at those videos, so please go to the video section in this channel and you can have a look. Now let's get started in this video about our insurance sector analysis. Now these are the companies, as I already said in the previous slide. You can see as per the market capitalization, I have arranged them in this order. HDFC Life has market capitalization of 1.43 lakh crore rupees. SBI Life has market cap of about 98,000 crore rupees. ICICI Pru Life about 83,000 crore rupees. ICICI Lombard about 69.7 thousand crore rupees, and General Insurance about 35,000 crore rupees market capitalization. Now, from these companies, we are going to run this quantitative analysis. Now, in the next slide, let me show you how we do it. Now, first, let's start with the 3 years sales growth. Now, these sales growth number are taken from different websites. Okay, mainly we follow either Tickettape or Screener.in. And now, if you go to different companies, and if I take a look at 3 year sales growth, these are the numbers as you can see in the middle column. HDFC Life 3 year sales growth 30.4 percentage, SBI Life 34 percentage, ICICI Pru Life 28.9 percentage, ICICI Lombard 20.8 percentage, and General Insurance 24.7 percentage. So you can see that the the company which has the highest sales growth is SBI Life 34 percentage, and then it will be HDFC Life, there then it will be ICICI Pru Life, then it will be General Insurance, and ICICI Lombard. So we have given points according to their sales growth numbers. Since SBI Life is having the highest sales growth, so we give 5 points because we have five companies, right? Then it will be HDFC Life followed by ICICI Pru Life, then General Insurance, and the last will be ICICI Lombard. So in this way, we're going to analyze all different parameters, right? And at the end, what we're going to do is we're going to collect all these points for each and every company. We'll add them up and show you the final result, and then you can realize fundamentally which company is strong or stronger, and then you can take a decision. However, whatever companies we're talking about in this video are not for any direct recommendation. You should always discuss with your advisor before taking any position in these companies. Let me come back to the analysis again. 5 year sales growth. 5 year sales growth point of view, you can see again SBI Life is having 5 year sales growth of 33.5 percentage, which is the highest in this list. Therefore, it will get 5 points, and the lowest is again ICICI Lombard, only 15.1 percentage. Therefore, we will give it only 1 point, right? And you can see the points and the sales growth number for other companies as well in the slide. Next, profit growth. Now, first, let's talk about 3 years profit growth. 3 years profit growth perspective, you can see ICICI Lombard it is presenting 3 years profit growth 36 percentage. Therefore we are giving it 5 point, and the lowest in this case is ICICI Pru Life minus 23.4 percentage. Therefore we are giving it 1 point. For general insurance we could not find the data, therefore we are not considering it for particularly this analysis. 5 years profit growth, 5 years profit growth perspective also you can see ICICI Lombard is presenting the highest 5 years profit growth 23.8 percentage. Therefore it will get highest 5 points, and ICICI Pru Life with the lowest 5 years profit growth minus 15.1 percentage. Therefore it will get the lowest point 1 point. Now if I talk about return on capital employed, okay, so again you can see that from the ROCE perspective you can see ICICI Lombard is reporting the highest ROCE value 26.8 percentage. Therefore we give it 5 points, and the lowest in this list is for general insurance, which is reporting only minus 4.17. Therefore only 1 point. What about 5 years ROCE, 5 years return on capital employed? Here again, ICICI Lombard, you can see 25.9 percentage 5 years ROCE. Therefore, we give it 5 points, and the lowest is for general insurance, which will get only 1 point because it is reporting only 4.98 percentage of 5 years ROCE. Now, what about just return on equity? If you take a look at return on equity only, again we can see that ICICI Lombard 21.6 percentage. Therefore, it will get 5 points, and general insurance again is scoring lowest because it is reporting negative 3.37 percentage. So at least from up to this, if you have some idea about how this company, particularly ICICI Lombard, is scoring high in all the front. But let's not stop here, let me continue. And I would like to remind you again, if you think that this analysis is interesting, please like the video, please share with your friends, and and subscribe to our channel so that you can get more and more information on different sectors, right? So 5 years return on equity we have already discussed, I think. Okay, so in the case of 5 years ROE, the highest scorer is HDFC Life because it is reporting 21.4 percentage ROE, 5 years ROE. Therefore, it will get 5 points, and the lowest, or the lowest scorer is again general insurance with only 4.62 percentage 5 years ROE. Therefore, it will get 1 point. Now, operating profit margin. Operating profit margin is the highest for ICICI Lombard, 12 percentage. Therefore, it will get 4 points, and the lowest is for ICICI Prudential Life, only minus 0.41 percentage. Therefore, it will get the lowest 1 point. And you can see the operating profit margin for other companies as well as the points that we have given to these companies. What about 5 years operating profit margin? 5 years operating profit margin, again ICICI Lombard with 11.1 percentage. Therefore, it will get 5 points, and the lowest in this case is general insurance with operating 5 years operating profit margin of minus 0.45 percentage. Therefore, it will get only 1 point. Now, debt to equity. So how much is debt compared to equity? You can see that SBI Life and General Insurance, they are basically debt-free companies. Therefore, they will get the highest point, 5 points to each companies. Okay, and the, from rest of the companies, you can see ICICI Pru has the highest debt, 0.1. Therefore, it will get only 1 point, and you can see the points for other companies as well. Now, FII plus DII holdings out of the total free float market capitalization. So this is basically, if you take any company total holdings, and then if you subtract the promoters holding, okay, so you get free float market capitalization of that particular company. Now, out of this free float market capitalization, how much is the holding, total holdings for foreign institutional investor plus domestic institutional investor, FII plus DII? Okay, So you can see the numbers. Okay, these are the numbers that we have calculated. You don't really get this total number in other websites, so we have to calculate this. And what we have found is that ICICI Lombard, the total holdings could be as high as 85.28 percentage, therefore it will get 5 points. And the lowest in this list is HDFC Life, 77.58 percentage. Okay, therefore only 1 point. But I would like to make one point here, that almost all the companies, for all the companies, the total institutional holdings is really good, and that shows that how institutional investors are really on this insurance sector. They're really looking for growth and growth in this sector, right? This is the last parameter that we are going to discuss here: price to earnings ratio, or PE ratio. So generally, when somebody wants to discuss, or somebody wants to talk about let's say taking position, many people think that we have to really purchase the companies with a very low PE, but that's not always correct, right? You have to run a complete quantitative analysis. Okay, on you have to analyze the companies in a particular sector from all the corners, not only based on only one parameter like PE or sales growth or revenue growth or profit growth. So like this, you have to run from all the corner. You try to analyze the companies in a particular sector, and then only you take position, right? So from PE ratio perspective, you can see the lowest PE is General Insurance. So you may think that maybe this is a very attractive company, right? But you will see in the next slide, when we publish the final result, that maybe if you are thinking that I will go and buy General Insurance because it has the lowest PE, maybe you will be wrong. Okay, it's possible. So since General Insurance has the lowest PE, so we give it 5 points. And you can see the PE for other companies as well. And you can see ICICI Pru Life, it has PE of 188.15. It is insane. And because of this so much high PE, or the highest PE, it will get only 1 point. So till now we have completed all the parameters that we wanted to include this analysis. Okay, this is about I think 13 to 14 parameters. And now you noted all these points for a particular company, and then we added them. And in the next slide, I'm going to show you the final result. But before that, I'd like to give a small stop, and I would like you to write the final scorer. What do you think that is the scorer here? Okay, so stop. All right, I think you got it, the name. So now let me show you the winner here. Here, ICICI Lombard, it is scoring 55, which is highest among all these other companies. Okay, therefore it will rank number one. Next is SBI Life, 51 point, rank 2. HDFC Life, 45, rank 3. ICICI Pru Life, 28, rank 4. General Insurance, 28, rank 4. Okay, so this is very crucial. Now, so many people had some bias towards some companies in the list, but maybe I also have some bias. But when I run this analysis, it is very clear that if I take a look from all the points, all the corners, which company is standing out, right? So this is how we analyze all the other sectors. Uh, and if you want us to analyze some other sectors, okay, so please let us know in the comment box which sector you'd like us to do the further analysis, and we'll do it and we'll present in front of you. And if you like this work, please like the video, you share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. And please you hit the bell icon so that you get all the notification whenever we upload a video. So finally, I thank all of you for your attention, and have your time. Bye bye.